If you hold any XRP, you came to the right place, guys. We are going to talk about a massive, massive move and why over 1.5 billion XRP in 24 hours is so significant. Why did it skyrocket? We'll give you guys everything you need to know. We'll break down exactly what's going on with XRP, what's going on with the markets. If you guys are brand new, make sure you guys subscribe to this channel right now. We've got a lot of recurring watchers of the channel, but we also have a bunch of new folks. If you are brand new, we cover the markets at large every single day. So lock in, make sure you guys are subscribed. We're giving free insights, information, keeping you informed every single day. We're also giving you guys free alpha in our twice a week newsletter that comes out. So download this right now, put your name and email in, get in here, and you're going to be emailed our free newsletter. Tons of wealth strategies in order to do extremely well in this cryptocurrency market, especially right now as we've entered what I believe is the parabolic phase Q4. We do have some leaders right now. Floki, OKB, SPX leading the way in terms of top gainers. Bitcoin got close to setting a new all-time high yesterday. Didn't quite get there, but still hovering at $122,000. XRP has come down a little bit from that 305 level. Now, here in the last day, we were as high as 309, coming back a little bit. We wanted to see some strength above the 305 level. We had it, but now we're losing it just a little bit. So a little bit of a pullback could be a decent time, honestly, to get back into a trade here for XRP if you think we can hold the line this weekend. I do think we're going to fire back up next week. There's no reason for us to go down right now unless something comes out of left field. You guys can check out all my links to all the top exchanges down there as well. Crypto.com is now ready to rock and roll with US derivatives. So definitely check out that link down below. You could become a VIP member right now and become one of the top traders over there. And near zero fees is amazing with over 300 assets, over 480 instruments. We've also recently partnered up with WEEX as well. And WEEX is phenomenal. They're offering a free trading group with free trading signals for top traders. There's a link down below to a TG group for WEEX. Sign up with us over there as well. You will not be disappointed. But let's get into the top story here, guys. Recent ledger data is giving us some very, very interesting insights and super, super exciting, honestly, if you own XRP right now, because it's indicating that XRP has experienced a sharp increase in on-chain activity with payment volume soaring to 1.5 billion XRP in a single day. This is a huge, huge accomplishment. The market is speculating about the potential implications of this abrupt increase in payments from one account to another, which indicates renewed momentum for the network. XRP payments, in addition to being traded on exchanges, the payment volume metric measures the amount of XRP that's actually being used with RippleNet and other payment rails. This kind of spike is typically the result of increased institutional or settlement activity, with large-scale surges rarely explained by smaller retail moves. So the institutions right now are making big moves. Big players are resuming or increasing their use of XRP for payment processes. And by overcoming several resistances that had previously restrained its growth, XRP is demonstrating some good resilience. The asset recently showed technical strength as well. And historically, when this happens, we're getting very, very close to an XRP breakout. This is the BNB chart, but I want to get into the XRP chart here as well. And on the weekly, guys, things are looking phenomenal. Still strong buys across the board. We are above all of our moving averages. Now, we're really looking at our 200-day moving average as our most important one. 262 is our level here for the EMA, and then 256 is our level for the 200-day. So our 200-day moving average way down here at 262 and 256 when you're looking at the EMA and SMA, we're well above that. So we are in a broader uptrend. Even despite us consolidating, it doesn't feel as if we're making a lot of headway right now. We are actually in a very, very good spot in the overall market. And I'm excited about where we're heading here. If we zoom into the daily, we get a little bit of a different picture here. And again, you can start to see this tight consolidation that's happening. And I have those little circles on there because we've come down to that level, 270, a couple different times, right in that 270 range. We're bouncing off there really nicely. We're doing it again, just like we did in early September. We're bouncing off those levels. We went as high as about 318, 320. We got as high as about 309 this time, coming back a little bit. But hopefully, this is just a little pullback before a next reversal. Again, I think we have flipped the script to October. We're expecting more interest rate cuts. We have a lot more bullish sentiment right now in the markets than we did in early September. So I am expecting us to go ahead and at least make a run at that 330 level at some point this month. And if we break through that, I think we're going to see XRP create new all-time highs. Now, none of that's financial advice. Obviously, we don't have a crystal ball, but XRP remains one of the top assets for me. And, you know, we talk a lot about ETFs as well, and what's going on that front. Tons of ETFs being filed right now for XRP. And so I just think it's a great time right now in the overall market. We're seeing that XRP payment, move up in terms of that overall number, with payment volume soaring to that $1.5 billion number. This is great. And they're talking about October here in the article. The ability of XRP to remain above the $3 level will be crucial, it says here. Longer term recovery may be possible with a robust continuation above the present resistance zones, particularly if on-chain activity remains stable at these levels. So this increase in daily transactions of 1.58 billion XRP could indicate the market is preparing for a larger breakout. And we'll be keeping tabs on this all weekend long and as we roll along into next week. So appreciate you all for watching. Again, sign up for the free newsletter if you have not already. Check out all my exchanges if you're looking for a place to make your trades. We've got perks that you're not going to get anywhere else when you sign up with us. And I appreciate you all for watching the video.